Is your pump underperforming? Here are 5 things to check if your pump is not working properly. Number 1. Sound. Is your pump making a funny sound to when you first initially installed it? Check if your pump is making a funny sound, because it could be cavitating, or check the alignment of your pump. Maybe it's misaligned. Number 2. Leakage. Is your pump leaking? Maybe check for any leaks around the pump. Maybe the mechanical seal is failed. Maybe the suction or discharge flange is leaking. These would cause the pump to underperform. Number 3. Power source. Check your power source. If your pump is running off 3-phase power, check that all 3 phases are delivering the correct voltage and amperage. If it's running through a VFD, variable frequency drive, check the settings, as the settings may have changed or reset. Number 4. Wear and tear. Yes, all pumps do get wear and tear over time, especially if you're pumping abrasive product. So maybe open up the pump and inspect the impeller and volute for any wear and tear. Number 5. What were the manufacturer's performance details at the time of selecting the pump? Always go back to what the pump was selected for and what you want it to do, because the system may have changed. Maybe you increased your suction or discharge line sizes or lengths, or maybe you're trying to get more flow out of the pump, or maybe one of the operators just opened up or shut a valve. For more information, please do not hesitate to contact us at globalpumps.com.au.